The number of cases in Singapore remains at 89 after the Health Ministry reported 0 new cases yesterday. Meanwhile, 2 more patients have been discharged. A total of 51 have fully recovered since the first case was confirmed a month ago. Now elsewhere, China reported 409 new infections and 150 deaths. The daily number of newly cured and discharged patients surpassed that of new confirmed infections for the 6th straight day. Now, outside of China, South Korea has the most number of cases. The total number surged to over 700 this morning, compared to 31 cases reported as of February 18th. That marks a jump of nearly 25 times in less than a week. Now, 7 people in the country have died from the virus, and South Korea has raised its coronavirus alert to the highest level.
Churches in South Korea were on high alert on Sunday as the number of coronavirus cases in the country jumped to 602. More than half of new cases have been linked to the Shincheonji Church after a 61-year-old woman known as Patient 31 tested positive for the virus last week. The church in the city of Daegu said it will fully cooperate with health authorities. The South Korean president raised the country's infectious disease alert to the top level as the death toll in the country reached 6, enabling it to forcibly prevent public activities and order the temporary closure of schools.
Following the advice of infectious disease experts, the government will vastly strengthen the overall response system by raising the alert level to the highest level. The situation has become completely different since the outbreak of mass infection within the Shincheonji group.
In China, there were reports of another fall in new cases outside the epicenter of the outbreak, but World Health officials warned that it's too early to make predictions about the outbreak, as new infections increased elsewhere. Italy on Sunday scrambled to contain the biggest outbreak of the virus in Europe. Cases there jumped to over 100. The government has shut off the worst affected towns in the north of the country and cancelled a string of public events. That after the first 2 deaths from the disease were recorded in the wealthy regions of Lombardy and Veneto. 2 people contracted the virus in Venice, which is packed with tourists for the annual carnival. Authorities announced the final 2 days of the carnival would be cancelled.